Right, Eco-Hive Supers. So basically with an Eco-Hive you've got three options as to what to do with regards to honey harvesting. So first of all, you can do nothing, or your next option is to use a honey box, which works on the nook and cranny system, which is the annex system, because you're putting a little annex onto the side of the hive. Lastly, you have this, the Eco Super, which is a box that also goes on the side, but it's more intrusive. But it's not as intrusive as one would first think. You can watch the video on that. However, this is an installation video. So, how to install an Eco-Beehive Super. So, if we have a look at it from the top, imagine we cut the hive in half over there somewhere. This is shown without the roof and without the legs. So imagine if you cut it in half, what you'll be looking at is the hive. And if you take the side panel off, you'll be able to then slot the Eco-Beehive honey box, or this Eco Super, into that space. So how do we do it? So first of all, the 4 screws, remove the 4 screws. Then you need to run a knife down the inside and loosen this panel and take this panel off. As always, working with bees, make sure that you suit it up so that you don't get stung with the proper PPE. Then next of all, you get your make sure you have all your gear ready, screwdrivers and screws and all the bits. There's your super. The super then fits into that space. What I'd also recommend is make sure that the sizes, before you take it off, actually will fit in there. You can pretty much see it's not it's pretty idiot proof. You can just see if it'll fit, and then that will slot into that spot. And then, as with the normal honey box annex system, it'll have 2 little plates with little screws, and you can put those 4 screws in and it'll hold that box into place. What you can do is, because the one side is supported because of the slot, and because they do come with a little bar for a honey box, you can actually put the little bar, wooden bar, underneath there to support this side, so when you put it on, it's supported. So it takes about 3 to 4 months for them to fill this box. Once it's full, you reverse the process, take the screws out, make sure you're wearing your PPE, your protective gear, you don't want to get stung. Take the screws out, take the box off, clean all the propolis away, put that back, put the screws back, done. Eco Supers. Enjoy, guys. If you like what I do, please consider subscribing to my Instagram or on my newsletter on my website. Tell your friends, tell the world. It's a better way to beekeep. If you like it, give me a thumbs up and all those good things, and leave a comment. Thanks, guys. Cheers. Bye.